Good morning, you guys. It's not my last day of treatment, but it is the last day of the program. This marks 8 weeks, technically 9, but this marks 8 weeks of me being at Utopia. I have gone every single day, never missed an appointment. Anyway, I'm setting up my morning shot. These are the pills that are really hard for me to take because they either get stuck in my throat or, yeah, they get stuck in my throat. I just put some juice. This is green juice. Now, I don't recommend getting store-bought juice. The only reason I'm buying this is because, as you guys know, or probably don't know, my blender broke that I was using to juice. And the juicer that I was gonna get was really expensive. And I hesitated on buying it for a long time because I was waiting until like I had the funds from the GoFundMe. So my GoFundMe is pay for my treatment, but also to help pay for that I have to get a lot of like supplements, extra supplies for my coffee enemas, like all the things that I have to do at home. You know, I have to buy those things on my own. Anyway, so I'm dumping out all of these into my juice. Alright, and then we're just gonna mix that all in. Disgusting. And that's my morning cocktail. This is also my way of getting in my green juice. I get my juicer tomorrow. Ooh, pull over that ass too fast. I get my juicer tomorrow, so I will no longer be buying this. But I mean, if you just want to feel like you're drinking a green juice, you see this in Whole Foods, I would say, I mean, they're pretty good, and the ingredients are literally just what's in it: celery, cucumber, spinach, romaine, kale, lemon, and parsley. Now I have to drink this 30 minutes before I eat anything. I also am going to be taking my probiotic. Utopia actually recommended that I get one that was 50 billion live cultures and up, and 12 probiotic strains and up. This is my oil. I'm not going to say what it is. Now if you don't know what this is, I'm happy to share, but I will not be saying it on this video. Sea moss gel, purple sea moss gel. I'm gonna finish this and wait 30 minutes before I eat my breakfast. You guys, I just heard something drop at my door. Look what's out there. I'm gonna unbox this baby tomorrow, okay? I wanna wait until the kitchen is clean. I'm moving, don't say nothing. Look what I finally opened up. It's just so cute, I don't even wanna open it yet. It's so big. I've been without a juicer, I've been without a blender for about a month now, and that is literally like not conducive to my healing. A warm welcome from Nama. Okay, so in the box, these are all the pieces. It's so cute. I'm gonna open up the pieces, and I'm gonna set this baby up. Guys, the juicer is all set up. Look at it, look how cute it is. I already got stuff in there because I just could not wait. Look at it, you guys. This is a cold press juicer. If you're in the market for a juicer, cold press is always the way to go. Juice in general, cold press is always the way to go. Since I've started this journey, I've been making my juice in a blender, blending my produce, and then putting it through a strainer, and then putting it through a nut bag. And that process was just so, it was a lot. It was a lot. To be able to do this, what I just did, and like, you know, basically chop the fruit, throw it in there and walk away, is amazing to me. The pulp is dry. Like, there is no more juice to be got out of this. The cucumber is a bit moist, I will say. That is the driest pulp I've ever seen out of my juicing, and I've been juicing for the past 10 months or 9 months, and I've never seen the pulp that dry. This is it right here. But I will say, you guys, juicing is really good for simply getting the nutrients. However, when you juice, you are missing out on the very important part of the fruit or vegetables that you're juicing, because you're missing out on the fiber. The fiber is really important for, you know, helping it move through your digestive system. The fiber is really important for helping you to absorb those nutrients. But if you're on a journey like I'm on, and you need nutrients, and you need nutrients fast, juicing is the way to go. But you should always chew your fruits and vegetables, because that chewing mechanism, it sets off something in the brain. Your body knows what to do with it because you're chewing, because you're eating. It's very different from simply drinking. I'm no expert, but I've learned quite a bit, and I know that you're always better off eating your fruit and vegetables rather than juicing. I'm already eating fruits and vegetables on a regular. This is just a plus for me to be able to juice, because that means that I can get in those nutrients. The 2 minutes it's gonna take me to drink this juice, there's no way I'd be able to get those nutrients in if I was to simply eat a piece of ginger, eat an apple, eat a celery. Cheers! Clink. This is just something I have not been able to do before. Making juice takes me 3 hours, like on a normal, using the blender and the nut bag and that whole process I was doing. 3 hours. Granted, I'm making a gallon, or I'm making half a gallon. That takes me 3 hours. Even to make a simple glass, if I was using the blender method and what I was doing before, that would not have taken me the 5 minutes that it took me to do this just now. My green juice is what helped me see progress before, and I haven't had my green juice in literally weeks. Love it. I'm gonna figure out how to clean it, or I might make more juice tonight while it's already dirty. This is amazing, you guys. I'm just so content. On another note, you guys, I got some packages today. Disregard my background. It's a lot going on, you guys. I've been in the process of moving for like 3 weeks now. Anyway, I'm sitting on my new couch. It's not new. It is actually a gift from a friend. Anyway, you guys, so I got 3 packages today. 2 of them are related to my journey. One of them, I have no idea who or where it's from. This is the Sprite's shower filter. See, this is it. I think that I immediately noticed a difference when I first started using it sometime last year. This filters out harsh like chemicals and heavy metals and things like that. Our skin is our biggest organ, and so I want to make sure that as a part of this journey that I'm also taking care of my skin and keeping those chemicals away from my skin as much as I can. So I use the Sprite shower filter. I can link it in the description box below if you guys are interested in getting it. I've never ordered from this website. This is from Thrift Books. This is the book I got. This book is normally like $40. He wrote this? You guys, I did not even realize. The doctor that I'm going to at the treatment center, he is a co-author on this freaking book, and I didn't realize until literally right now. Another camper at the treatment center told me about this book, and that's why I got it. She probably knew, but I looked up the book, of course, but I did not notice that my doctor's name is on there. I'm just, wow. Cancer Free, Your Guide to Gentle Non-Toxic Healing is by Bill Henderson and Dr. Carlos Garcia. I bought this book off of Thrift Books for $11. There's so much in here. Wow, about literally everything. I'm seeing everything that I've learned on this journey. Beta glucan, natural killer cells, trace mineral test. Okay, I'm excited to read this. And then lastly, you guys, I want to open up this. I did send out a wish list to people who asked for it. I have received a few unexpected packages, like things I didn't, like I know I didn't order anything and then I get a package. So I think this is one of those things. So let's open it up. Ah! My water bottle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look what fell out. I know who got this for me. I know exactly who got this for me. I hope your gifts arrive right in time to brighten your day. Aww, Mario Party. This was on my list, you guys. And this water bottle that I really wanted. I'm gonna open it up right now. So pretty. Now I have been struggling to get my water intake. This is 56 ounces, the exact amount of water that I need to be drinking. You should drink half your weight in ounces of water. And look at it, like you can carry it. It's glass. It has the measurements for how much water is in here. And then it also has the time stamps. Okay, anyway, those are all my packages, you guys. I feel really content. I've had some bad news this week. It's been a tough week. I'm grateful. I'm really grateful, despite the circumstances, for everything. I still have so much to do, and I'm gonna get a lot done tonight before I go to sleep, before I rest. So I'm gonna sign off for the night. I got my green juice. This is so good. I made it a little strong because I put a lot of ginger for 1 cup, but it's really good. Thank you God for today. I had a lot of good moments today. I had enough good moments today to make up for of all the terrible moments that I've had in the past few days. Hello you guys. It's another day of healing, another opportunity to make better choices, to do my coffee enema. Today will make it 2 weeks since I've done a coffee enema. I got my water boiling. It's a lot to do, it's a lot to prepare, it's a lot to make. The process itself is a lot, and then the cleanup is a lot. Like, it's just so much. It just takes a lot of time. I'm trying to find ways to be as efficient as possible for doing my coffee enemas. So I got this coffee maker. Usually when I do my coffee, or when I make my coffee for my coffee enemas, I boil my water like normal, and then I will take the coffee grounds, which I just grounded up. I'll take the coffee grounds and I'll pour it in here. And then from there, I'll use a strainer to strain the coffee. It's a lot, okay? With this, a little less steps, I think. I put the coffee grounds in here at the bottom, and this is a whole little straining mechanism thing. And then I pour the hot water in here, and then I like press it and let it sit for a few minutes, and it makes the coffee. And then straight from this, I can just pour my coffee into my coffee enema bucket. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, it will definitely hold 4 cups. Ooh. Ciao. I don't know. I think we press it down after 4 minutes. So, oh, this was supposed to be on there. Oh, okay, I did it wrong. I'm supposed to press it like that. Let's see. I think when I pour this out, there's gonna be no coffee grounds in there, if this works how it's supposed to. That looks pretty clean to me. Nice. Let's open it up and see. Nice. All the grounds are at the bottom. This is like my designated coffee maker versus using my teapot, because like I drink tea multiple times throughout the day. I always need my teapot, and so like having the coffee grounds, and it's really hard. It can be difficult to get the coffee grounds out of this type of teapot. This is literally perfect because it's made just for it. It's perfect. So anyway, I'm gonna go do my coffee enema. I'm not filming that, and I'll catch you guys later.